Meaning of feather duster.
Feather duster.
Feather duster.
Feather duster.
Feather duster. A feather duster is a cleaning tool made of feathers that are attached to a long handle. When used, the feathers trap and remove dust and dirt from surfaces. The action of gently waving the feather duster back and forth creates static electricity, which causes the dust to stick to the feathers. Feather dusters are commonly used to clean delicate objects, such as ornaments, picture frames, and lampshades, as well as surfaces that are difficult to reach with other cleaning tools. They are also often used for decorative purposes, as they add a touch of elegance to any room.